In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add widgets on MacBook Air M3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to customize widgets on your Mac desktop. This will work as long as you have the latest version of their software, so make sure that you update macOS if needed. Now, to find the widgets option, click the date and time at the top right corner of the screen, and this will open a menu with a bunch of options. If you look at the bottom, you will see Edit Widgets. So this is where you will find the option after you update to the latest macOS version. When you choose Edit Widgets, a menu will appear at the bottom of your screen, and all that you have to do now is browse through all of the categories of widgets and drag and drop them into the desktop. So you will find plenty of widgets available for different apps and categories. So for example, batteries, calendar, where you will find reminders and other options, clock, contacts, and so on. Some of these suggestions will appear over here. You can set up widgets however you prefer in any orientation, control their size, remove them, and like I said, all that you have to do is drag and drop. So click one of these, hold, and then drag it into the position that you want to set up the widget. You can remove widgets when you go to the edit option, and every single widget will have this little icon at the top left, which allows you to remove it altogether. So if you click on that icon, it will be removed, and you can add new ones as needed. You will find different categories, and some of them will even be from any other iOS device that you have connected. So for example, if you have an iPhone nearby connected to your Mac, it will give you the option to add widgets from the iPhone. So as you can see, you can add it from the Flights app. And they are interactable, of course. So if you have a reminders widget, for example, you can click on the reminders to take them off, and they will be checked from the list. Everything will change accordingly, and they are a very easy and intuitive way to control applications, reminders, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to add widgets on MacBook Air M3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.